it's Kitty. I have to apologize. I just realized the video I shot earlier today that I posted already was the Stitch Fix video, and I forgot to show you guys a sneak peek of the giveaway like I promised at the end of every video. I guess because I was filming in my bedroom and not in my beauty room where I keep the giveaway stash, it just slipped my mind. So I'm going to show you two things at the end of this video that are included in the prize package. And if you do not know, I am currently running a giveaway. It's a 500 subscriber, $500 giveaway. It's full of beauty products. The giveaway link is below if you're interested in signing up for that. Why not? You know, worth $500. Not even kidding. But anyways, for today's video, I am unboxing, or I guess I should say unbagging, Scentbox. So this is the third time I've received this box, but it is only the second time I filmed it. So last month I showed you both June and July because I was a little behind. So this is the August. And so this is a perfume, or fragrance I should say, because you can get a clone too if you are a male or just prefer that. It is $13.95 per month, but you can get it for $9.77 your first month. So I will link that down below if you are interested. And I am taking all the contents out right now. So it comes with a sheet that says the scent of the month. I guess the scent of the month for females is Daisy by Marc Jacobs, which I used to own this. I finished it off. I love it. And for males, I guess it is, I don't guess, it is Mr. Burberry. And then it'll tell you what the notes are and all of that. I don't know if I picked mine, because you have the option to either get the scent of the month or you can select what you want. And I have a feeling I selected what I wanted, but if I didn't, I love that perfume and I'm out of it. So, well, actually I think I do have like a tiny sample that's probably halfway gone that I got in one of my boxes, like one of those little ones that lasts probably like 10 sprays. But anyways, it comes in a little box like this. And, oh, I got something else I think. And it comes in this cute container, and so this is a 30-day supply. They say if you use 4 pumps per day, so like 4 sprays a day, then it'll last 31 days. So I have 2 other ones. I should have grabbed them for this video, but I still have some left in both. I don't think I use 4 sprays a day. I think some days maybe I do, but I don't always wear the same fragrance or wear fragrance at all every single day. Like today, I don't think I've sprayed anything on myself, probably because I haven't left my home today. So this is what the case looks like. I love it. I have one in this color and like a teal color. And if you just slide it open like that and spray it. So the scent I have is Stella Toilette. Is that, I don't know, is that how you say it? Does it say it in here? So, oh, you can pull these out and put it in a different case if you want. But I can't remember. I must have picked this myself. Okay, so I don't know how to ever say, is it focusing? Hold on. Stella Wade Toilette. Does that mean Stella's a brand? Oh, I think I picked the Stella McCartney brand. It's coming back to me now, because I think I picked all 3 months at once over 3 months ago. This smells so good. You know, I'm not one of those people that can tell you all the notes of perfume, but I can tell you it smells amazing and like a fruity scent. I love it. Oh, and I had no idea what this smelled like. I just picked it probably because I like Stella McCartney. Like, seriously, that's probably the only reason why. And because I know she has vegan products and she has a vegan clothing line, so I'm assuming her perfume's vegan and cruelty-free as well. And I want to start switching everything to cruelty-free. I know I get samples and everything in my subscription beauty boxes. I'm starting Project Pan soon, so I think I might try and get rid of all those products that are not cruelty-free soon. But so I think I chose this because it's her and because I support her products because they're cruelty-free. And it smells really good, so I'm really happy with my selection. This is awesome. This is like exactly what I like. It's perfect for summer too. It's very fruity. Like, is it? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's more fruity than floral, but it's really good. I like this a lot. And it's not too strong. Like 1 spray was enough. So yeah, super cute packaging, super affordable. If you want to try out new perfumes instead of spending like $80 on a bottle or whatever they are, you know, I don't actually own any full-size perfumes. I realized when I was looking up stuff for my Project Pan, I was like, I don't even have any to include in there. So I'll probably just include one of my older Scentbox bottles just to use it up because I do love these, and to remember to use my fragrances because sometimes I forget. And I have little samples in all of my bags, so usually I just spray on whatever's in there. But it'd be nice to wear what I really love. So yeah, I will leave the link below along with my giveaway link, and before I go, I won't forget this time, I'll show you my 2 sneak peeks. So the first one is by L'Oreal, and it is the Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer, and this is a full size 20 mLs. I've heard good things about this. And then the second thing is a eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner by the Beauty Crop called Liquid Eyeliner, and this is also full size. So yeah, so sorry I did not give you a sneak peek yesterday. I hope this makes up for it, and I'm super excited. There's like 11 days left or something like that, because it's already, yeah, 11 days, because it's already August 20th, isn't it? That's crazy. Well, the day this goes up will be the 21st, but the day I'm filming this is the 20th, so yeah, that's crazy. Or no, the day it'll come up is the 22nd. Whatever day it comes, doesn't matter. It is coming up the end of the giveaway, so make sure you sign up for it. And thanks for stopping by. Love you guys. Bye.